Hello and welcome back once again to the Shadow Clan Weather Channel. Today we are monitoring Tropical Storm Colin as it makes its way towards Bermuda. Tropical storm conditions there are expected within 36 hours, so there is a tropical storm warning up for the entire island, both inland and coastal Bermuda. For 11 a.m. Atlantic Standard Time. That's Bermuda's time, same as 10 o'clock a.m. Eastern. The center of Tropical Storm Colin was located near 29.9 north, 66.4 west. Colin has been nearly stationary during the past few hours, so it's not moving much. So anyway, because Colin has been stationary, it's anticipated to arrive at Bermuda later than originally planned. Probably sometime around tomorrow morning. Of course, I'll keep an eye on that for you. Maximum sustained winds have been sustained around 40 miles an hour with higher gusts. There is still a little bit of potential for spring. It's a little bit unlikely because that stupid upper level low is sharing and cutting off the whole entire right or left side of the storm. So there's nothing there over there. All the wind is on one side, all the clouds are on one side, all the convective activity is on one side. And the low pressure center is exposed, and that's always a bad thing. Sort of like having your brain exposed. It's just not good for you. You can get damaged really easily if your brain is exposed. Because you have no skull or something. So, the tropical storm force winds extend up to 125 miles out to the east of the center, not to the west, as I just said. Wind is expected to affect Bermuda starting tonight, and Colin is expected to produce coastal flooding and large battering waves in Bermuda, particularly along the south facing beaches. Colin is expected to produce rainfall accumulations of 1 to 3 inches in Bermuda. Sometimes that can cause flooding, especially in low-lying areas. We are awaiting the next complete National Hurricane Center advisory at 2 o'clock p.m. Atlantic Standard Time. That would be the same as 1 o'clock here. Strange, that means it's a little bit late. Oh, that's the intermediate advisory. Still a little bit late. Next complete advisory will be at 4 o'clock here time. So now, I'd like to turn you over to a new member of the Shadow Clan Weather Channel team. First one besides me. Bloofer!
Well, thanks, Broken Star. The projected path can take the system due north for the next few days. Luckily for you, Gulf and East Coast people, this system is not going to hit you guys. Yay, you! As for you Bermudans, no such luck. I bet you wish Colin could disappear in the triangle. Anyway, back to you, Broken Star.
So that was Bloofer, my sister, and the newest member of the Shadow Clan Weather Channel. So, it's a storm. It'll probably still be a tropical storm at landfall in Bermuda, assuming it actually does make landfall in Bermuda. Not likely to become a hurricane anymore. It's a very small percentage chance, although we are watching another tropical wave off in the far eastern Atlantic, just off the Cape Verde Islands. And this storm could possibly become something tropical cyclone in the next few days. So, till I have something else for you, I guess. See ya. What now? Low